Mayong adlaw mga kasama, welcome sa atong another episode alang sa one-on-one sa Straight to the Point. Ako gihapon ni Radio Man Michelle Miral Galve ug live kita karon dinhi sa Mapúa, Malayan Colleges, Mindanao. Uban nato mga kasama live ang Dean sa Health Sciences na ini nga mao nga tulunghaan, Dr. Adorico Ayaay. Doc, mayong adlaw, Doc.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to be here.
Yes, Doc. Nindot ang atong hisgutan karon mga kasama gumikan. May kalabutan kini sa collaboration no sa Mapúa Malayan Colleges sa Health Sciences program niini ngadto sa Arizona State University, Doc Ador, no? So could you please tell us, Doc, kalabot niini ang collaboration ug paunsa ni makahulma sa kaugmaon sa atong mga healthcare professionals?
Okay. Our health sciences in Mapúa MCM is in collaboration with Arizona State University, like what you have mentioned earlier. And this is actually designed to prepare the next generation of healthcare leaders. So yun yung objective talaga, i-prepare yung mga future healthcare leaders natin. And that's the advantage because we are in collaboration with a university from the USA, hindi lang university from the USA, one of the best universities in the whole world. That's ASU or Arizona State University. Now, like what I have mentioned earlier, it intends to mold future healthcare leaders, not just here in the country, not only in the Philippines, but also globally, because we have to accept the fact that some of our graduates would prefer to work abroad or wherever they would like to work, in the Philippines or wherever they would go. Ang important thing there is that we prepare them to the best way we can wherever they would land after graduation. Now, in Mapúa, ang strategies namin dito is very different because we have the advanced and immersive facilities. We have facilities na, well, kami lang ang meron. And that is an advantage. And then we have global readiness and digital mastery. So with this, we can be assured that we are on the right track in preparing our students. Now, we offer also a very comprehensive curriculum with content from Arizona State University. So we do not just create our own curriculum, but we also base it on the curriculum of ASU, Arizona State University. Now, it integrates, for example, mga latest advancements in patient care, in medicine, in medical technology. Now, our focus is not just academic excellence, although we have to accept the fact that it's very important, and that's our primary objective, academic excellence. But also, we train our students to be compassionate, to have the empathy, because these are qualities, very essential qualities, if you are in a healthcare profession.
True.
So it's actually healthcare profession. It's actually a vocation. So if we prepare our students not only academically but also with all those values, then pwede natin sabihin na perfect yung preparation nila para sa kanilang future.
Wow, so that sounds amazing, Doc Ador, no? With this collaboration sa Arizona State University, Doc, sa inyong program, no? Could you please tell us about this partnership? Paun sa learning experience sa atong mga estudyante, Doc?
Okay. So our collaboration with ASU, Arizona State University, is a testament of our commitment to really provide a global perspective to our students. So there are many things that our students will be able to learn through the collaboration with ASU. Like I have mentioned kanina, meron pa akong sasabihin na iba, like ang curriculum namin is enhanced through the content repository ng ASU. Meron silang mga courses na nakalagay doon na kailangan din namin i-embed sa curriculum namin.
Okay.
So aside from yung mandated talaga ng CHED na dapat ito yung ituturo sa mga pharmacy students, sa mga physical therapy students, sa mga biology students, sa mga psychology students, we embed other programs, other courses that are available in Arizona State University. Parang add-on siya. So that makes it na naman new in our offering.
Yes.
Now, students, therefore, will also learn or have a chance to learn from professors coming from Arizona State University and other professors from other countries. Kasi aside from Arizona State Universities, meron pang ibang mga partner institutions ang Arizona State University. And therefore, their professors also may engage in a lecture discussion with our students. So, another, yun siya, plus points para sa mga student, healthcare students natin. Now, yun yung tinatawag naming global signature courses. At saka ginagawa yan siya dito sa global classroom namin. We have a global classroom. It's a very advanced facility wherein our students and students from other countries would simultaneously have classes. Okay? So either ang professor nila is coming from us or coming from another country, pero sabay din sila. And therefore, that is a big opportunity for our students to mingle with students abroad, learn from them, at the same time, they also learn from us. And it's very experiential, meaning to say, whatever they discuss, for example, ay based talaga sa kung ano yung meron tayo dito. So, unique, like things that we don't see, we don't read in books. Kaya very experiential. So that's another advantage. Now, in that way, we also encourage our students to have the cultural competence, which is a very vital skill in today's interconnectedness in terms of healthcare. Kasi parang wala na tayong boundary sa healthcare, di ba? So, nakaka-benefit tayo in this process. We learn from them, they learn from us. Also, one of the most important things we also want our students to have is to have this kind of interprofessional training as a healthcare professional. Kasi we know that when you are a pharmacist, when you are a physical therapist out there in the real world, you don't work alone.
Yes.
Because healthcare actually is teamwork.
Okay.
So, tinitrain namin sila na whenever they would start working in the real world, they know how to deal with other healthcare professionals, which is very important also. Kasi yun naman ang kailangan talaga natin, collaboration.
Yes.
Kasi if you, even how good you are as a pharmacist, how good you are as a physical therapist, if you do not know how to interact and to work with other healthcare professionals, useless. Kasi merong silang need na pwedeng ibigay ng ibang healthcare professionals, and yung ibang healthcare professionals, meron ding mga need na kayang ibigay ng ating mga pharmacists and physical therapists. So, collaboration, and that's what we want to promote, and that's why we're training them to have that value.
Nindot kayo, Dok, no? Kay murag classmate ni mo, Dok, taga-laing nasod, tama ba?
Exactly.
Oo, teachers po ni mo, taga-laing nasod. So, mga sharing of best practices, if I may say, no? Ang kining nindot na program. So, kining Global Classrooms Initiative it really sounds fantastic, Doc Ador, no? Sa pag-promote o global mindset sa atong mga estudyante. So, doon na ba mga specific na mga proyekto, Doc, or mga experiences niini nga initiative na pwede natong ipahibalo sa mga nag-view karon?
Actually, masyadong marami.
Okay.
But I can mention some. At saka ang pinaka-importante na learn ng mga projects, siguro yung experience nila na makasalamuha yung mga ibang estudyante from other countries, and they start to sit down and plan out what activities, what projects, what programs they can work on as a team.
Yes.
Kasi through their experience, through their lecture and classes, they would learn, ay ganito pala sa Philippines, ay ganito pala yung mga needs ng mga karamihang Pilipinos. And therefore, they have exchange of ideas, and they plan out kung ano kaya ang pwede nating maitulong. And it's been happening. Through this global signature courses, they started to interact and plan out for whatever practical projects they can have in the country and also in the other countries. So yun yung siyang start, which hopefully would progress into really something tangible.
Yes. This would be my last question,
Okay.
Doc Ador, no? From a global perspective, mo micro to, Doc, no?
Very good.
For us from Davao City, Davao region, or sa mga silingan nato dinhi sa Davao, no? Paunsa ning programa, Doc, or kausaban sa atong mga estudyante when it comes to healthcare, no? Makatapang sa ato ang komunidad, Doc Ador.
That's a very good question, ma'am, kasi kanina pa tayo nag-uusap, no? Tapos puro global yung mga na-mention natin.
Yes.
And then our listeners or our viewers might be asking, paano naman kami? Ano yung para sa amin? Actually, yun yung ginagawa ng Mapúa MCM. Although it sounds as if we are looking at the global scenario, in the bigger scenario, but we act actually locally. Meaning to say, we start with what do our neighbors need? And that's why we engage our students to different community extension activities. So, yun munang start. Kasi hindi naman ibig sabihin na pag sinabi natin global, ay talagang we have to do it that big. Whatever you do in your locality, if it has a global impact, then it addresses the problem of the whole world. So, yun yung ginagawa namin sa mga estudyante. We have actually community extension services, community extension programs na nai-engage yung mga bata para they would have a first-hand feel of what this country truly needs. And by that, in the future, kahit hindi sila dito magtatrabaho sa Pilipinas, or kung dito, mas mabuti, they have at least imbibe in themselves the values needed to be very good healthcare professionals.
Yes, sir. Thank you kayo, Doc Adorno, for such valuable na mga information. I believe sa mga nag-view karon or sa mga naminaw, kasi interesado sila magpa-enroll, Doc.
Yeah.
Pwede ba nato i-promote ang atong eskwelahan, Doc, this time?
Yeah. Mga Dabaweenials or mga taga Region 11 or kahit outside the region na mabiview nito. Mapúa MCM is offering 4 health science programs, Bachelor of Science in Biology, focus in Medical Biology. We have BS Psychology, BS Pharmacy, and BS Physical Therapy. In the future, there are more programs we will be offering which would address the needs of the region and the country. So you can actually enroll. Sa mga parents na nanonood or nakikinig, hindi kayo magsisisi if you will send your students in Mapúa. Again, we have very good facilities. We have the best faculty members, and we are committed to really bring your students, your kids, to wherever they would go in the future. And that is to be a very good healthcare professionals. So, like what I've been saying kanina, we have global connection, which is very needed in today's education.
Yes.
Kailangan natin yun. We have to accept the fact na kailangan natin collaborate sa ibang mga experts outside the country. And in Mapúa MCM, we have that. So we can assure you that your kids are in good hands. Pag dito nyo sila pinapaaral.
Ayan. Thank you very much, Doc Ador. Thank you po for sharing these valuable insights, no, sa atong health science program, Mapúa Malayan Colleges Mindanao, ug ang impact pod sa inyong collaboration sa Arizona State University. Dili basta-basta ning collaboration, Doc. So, thank you so much for sharing to us, no, dinhi sa RMNDXDC Davao, Doc. Mga kasama ato nakauban si Dr. Adorico Ayaay, ang Dean sa Health Sciences sa Mapúa MCM. Ug alang gihapon sa one-on-one, sa straight to the point. Ako si Radyoman Michelle Miral Galve, Tatak RMN.